Morning people, it's Lee from Source on this fine Monday morning. No more rain at the moment. Just to show you this lovely little brand new Fiat Ducato based A-class motorhome. You can see just on the front here, before we go inside, we've got side camera on passenger side. We've then got a Kenwood HD camera on the front, and that's because we fitted the DNR992RVS head unit, which accepts the HD cameras. And then the driver's side, so we've been left-hand drive, we've then got another side camera. We've retained the factory reverse camera on this vehicle, just because it's a bit of pain to run a new one. But we'll just get in the vehicle now, just show you. Look at that bad boy, 10.1 inch HD touchscreen. As mentioned, it's the DNR992RVS. Now in the vehicle, a bit of sun glare. Let's get this unit turned on. Big Fiat logo there for you, just to make it feel a little bit more factory. I see on this unit, you've got the facility to tilt the screen to cut out the sun glare. Obviously on this vehicle, see it's a brand new vehicle. Just go back to the screen there. So this unit, fully loaded. This is the motorhome version, so we've got the motorhome navigation. So we've got a Navi. Obviously I'm not going to set this up yet because the customer's just about to arrive. So you can see we can change that to the motorhome spec. That'll then give you access to the heights, weights and measurements of the vehicle, and also give you access to the UK campsites that are all preloaded into this. So we've just come off there. We've then got, obviously you can see normal sort of features. So you've got the DAB radio with a full DAB list to give you an A to Z search. We've got the AM, FM normal receiver. We've got a USB socket for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So on this vehicle, see we've just fitted one there, just to make it a little bit easier for the customer. Although this unit is wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so it doesn't necessarily need to plug the phone in, but it can be charging while it's in there. So if I just go to semi on the steering wheel, we've retained on this new wheel volume up and down. So you can see the buttons are working. So we've returned all the vehicle functions. And if I just pop it into reverse for you on the screen, so we've got, like I said, the factory reverse camera, because this would be just so awkward to replace that. Nice view, nice image for the customer. We've then got left camera. Obviously you can see the door's open because I'm too lazy. Pop in there, we're going to go to the right side, which is the driver's one, and there's all over the building. Obviously front camera, just so you can see how close it's getting to the vehicle. It's in front, because this is quite a large front end. See there, it's an A-class, so it's quite a wide depth body. And then back to the reverse camera. And then just pop it out and it'll go back to normal, or you can just press one of the buttons and it'll go back to the system. Obviously got Bluetooth streaming connections, but like I say, once using wireless CarPlay, which this chap will be, he's not going to see the Bluetooth screen again. It's a brilliant little unit. You can see how big it is there, quite wide. For any more information on this unit or any other screens, if you want to give the experts a call at Source on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.